Hi everyone, I'm Edward Munoz and today I have one surprise for you. This new script letter from Vitalik. Yes, they are beautiful letters that you can make airfield banners. I will show you in this video how you can create a beautiful banners for any events. Are you ready? I'm ready. We need to fill the letters with air. You can use your hand pump or you can use the Foil Pro from Premium. We have N, O, Now, if you see each letter, they have on top a small tag. With a piece of monofilament, we will pull through those tags. You have the first letter. Now, the letter N. Remember, those comes with one tag on top. We have all the letters. See, we have the letter O, N, and now the last letter will be the letter E. See, now you have a beautiful banner just with airfield balloons.